Today we're gonna do a cinnamon hazelnut cake. All you need is 80 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of flour, 35 grams of white and 35 grams of brown sugar, 2 eggs and 50 grams of grinded hazelnuts, 75 milliliters of milk, 1 tangerine, 1 pack of vanilla sugar, 2 to 5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 pack of baking powder, and 100 grams of melted butter. At first, put the melted butter in a bowl, add the brown and white sugar. Also add the vanilla sugar and stir it until combined. Add then the cinnamon and the 2 eggs. Stir it again and add the milk and the hazelnuts. Add then the baking powder with the flour. Stir it until combined and put the dough into a baking tin. Let it bake in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. As soon as the cake cooled down, you can prepare the cake topping. For that, put a teaspoon of cinnamon to the icing sugar. Stir it and add the juice of the tangerine. Do not add all of the juice in one. Add a little bit juice at the beginning, stir it, and add more if needed. Then put the cake topping on the cake and add some cake decoration if you want to. I used some chocolate and grinded hazelnut as decoration.